Hello, welcome to BSK Media. Learning English through stories. The Magic Bird. Once upon a time there was a good man who lived in a village near a forest. Every day he went into the forest to catch animals, which he sold in the village market. He was married to a woman who was beautiful but who loved gossip. One day in the forest the good man caught a beautiful bird that could talk. The bird spoke to the man, "Please do not take me to the village market, my dear. I am magic, and if you help me, I will lay a lovely gold egg for you every day." So, the good man helped the magic bird, and daily it laid a lovely gold egg for him. The good man was very happy, but his wife wasn't. "My dear," she said, "my friends are asking me why this bird only lays one gold egg a day. Maybe there are many more gold eggs remaining in its stomach. Shall we kill it and see?" "Oh no, my dear," her husband replied. "It's not good to kill." "But my friends say we could get more," his wife continued. "People who want more don't always succeed. Often they get less," explained the good man. But his wife didn't listen and only thought about the lovely gold eggs. She took a knife, killed the magic bird, cut its stomach and looked in. There was nothing there, and that was the end of the lovely gold eggs. The good man returned to the forest and his wife returned to her gossip. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe to get more videos from my channel.